let's make this pretty picture pocket cover for a photo album or memory book. Just follow the instructions for the elegant book cover. We have it all prepared here up to before you sew the flaps down. So the ribbon is sewn in the middle. The edges of the book is marked. The flaps are pressed down to fit the book. And we've sewn down the rough edges of the edges there. We've sewn down the rough edges so they'll be neat when we turn the book cover. Now I'll show you how to put a picture pocket on the front. This is the picture I'm going to be using, and it's about 2 inches by 2 inches, the part that I want to show. And just decide where you want to put it and mark that. Okay, now we just want to make sure that it's square. So we'll go like that and mark the measurement. So about 2 inches and 2 inches there. And we'll just straighten up that edge from where I traced. And then 2 inches, I'm going to go from the 4, 1, 2 inches here, 2 inches, and draw a straight line there. Okay, now we have the box that the picture will fit into.